Hi, I am Dennis. This is a video for my friends from the United States. I show you how to fill up your car if you ever visit Germany. It's a little bit different from USA. I was a little bit confused when I was in the USA. There you have to swipe your credit card, then choose your fuel, and then you can fill up your car. In Germany it's a little different. You can park at the gas pump, then choose your what you need, fuel or diesel, and you can fill up your car. Then you can go in, and then you have to pay. You have to remember the number of your fuel pump, so you know which pump you had and how much you have to pay. The gas prices here over in Germany are pretty high. I show you. This is the price in euro per liter. A liter is round about a quarter gallon, a little more than a quarter gallon. E10 means this fuel contains 10% ethanol, bio-ethanol. In Germany everybody freaked out about that ethanol that can destroy the engines or whatever. Total bullshit. Nothing happened. Not a single engine was destroyed. But in Germany, people always search for something to complain about. Now I show you how to fill up the car. Check it out. You see, here in Germany we have a little higher octane than in California, in the United States, where it was, I think, 87, 89 and 91. 91 was premium there. Here in Germany it starts with 95 octane and goes up to, in this station, up to 98. Some stations it goes up to even 100 octane. The E10 fuel is the cheapest fuel for gasoline. Here in Germany, the gas stations also have little shops for snacks or drinks. That's similar to USA. It's not much different. $70 for around 12 gallons. That's really high. $70. What is it? 70 euros is about $85 or something. That is real pricey here in Germany. Fill up the little cruiser, 70 euros. That's rough. Now look at that. They gave me free sunglasses. Yeah. Total is a good gas station. That's a nice surprise. For 70 euros for a filling, you get free sunglasses. Like in USA, you have free air to fill up your tires. You can wash your windows. And what I was missing in USA, most gas stations have vacuum cleaners, so you can clean your car for around a coin of 50 cents or €1 max. That's what I was really missing in USA, because I was smoking in my rental Camaro and I wanted to clean it up before I bring it back, and I have to pay $10 to just vacuum my car at a car wash. And in Germany every gas station has a little vacuum cleaner for 50 cents. And that does the job pretty good. Okay, that's it. I hope it helps you a little bit. The fuel pumps with the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and stuff, when you go in and you tell which fuel pump was yours, it's called Säule, like pillar. Ich hatte Säule Nummer 4. I had fuel pump number 4, he said. Die Säule nennt man das hier. It's called here. So I hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, write a comment or find me on Facebook. I am there for you. Bye bye. I forgot to tell you one thing. In Germany you can buy everything in the gas station, even beer and booze and whiskey and vodka and whatever you like, and cigarettes. And your passengers are allowed to drink while you drive. Only you should not drink when you drive, but it's allowed to have alcohol in your car when your passenger at your passenger seat or behind your drinks. It's totally okay in Germany. Have fun and enjoy your holiday in Germany. Bye! One thing is really important when you go in to pay your fuel bill. You are in Germany, so stand in line and don't mess things up. I'm just kidding. You should stand in line and don't cause any troubles, but it's not that Germans are all "Arr, you have to do that." When you want to vacuum your car, here is one of those things I told you about. Vacuum cleaner is called Staubsauger in Germany. The dust sucker is it in Germany. I think that's all about. One thing more came in my mind. You know, in Germany many parts of the Autobahn have no speed limit. That's nice, you can go 100 miles, 120 miles, all fine. You should pay attention to traffic, of course. But what I want to say is, when you drive really fast, your car needs a lot more gas. And maybe you don't want that. When you're on a budget, you should drive like normal, like in USA, 60 miles, 70, 75 or something. That's eco. That's why Germans always say, oh, American cars consuming so much fuel. Yes, when you drive 120 miles per hour, it's consuming very much fuel. The Camaro, when I was in USA and I can only drive 65, it was 12 liters on 100 kilometers or something. That's okay for such a powerful engine. But when you really floor it, it will go really up. And you see the needle of your fuel gauge go down. You can watch it go down when you really go fast. So think about it before you do it. Bye bye.